Hey everybody, it's Becky from Power Tools with Thread. I wanted to show you a quick fix for SVG files that are created in Brilliance embroidery software and how to fix an issue that is happening when they are imported into the Brother Canvas download version. The online version is perfectly fine. It is not affected by this, but the download version has a little quirk that I'm going to show you a workaround in how to do that. So I am going to make myself just a little bit smaller here so I'm not in the way. This is just a barn file. It's an embroidery design that I created, and it is a PES design. So the first thing you need to do is to create the SVG files themselves. And to do that, you want to make sure that you can click on any of the applique position files. So like this one says Brother Embroidery Applique Position. This one here says Filtech Glide. I could change it. It was a weird thread thing I did, but I want to left click on it and make sure it says applique position. Okay, then you can left click on any applique position color chip in an embroidery design, and you're going to get a thread dialog box up here, and it defaults to the color tab. There's two tabs in it, color and applique. I'm going to go to applique, okay, and I'm going to change the inflate to 0.0. That is just for my use, okay? But this is going to make these SVG files fit exactly like I want them to in a design that has a blanket stitch. If I was to use an inflate on this blanket stitch, they would be too big. Okay, so I keep the inflate at 0.0. That's just my preference. And if I click Save As or Save on a Windows, I'm on a Mac, it says Save on a Windows machine. It'll only save that one SVG file that you clicked on, but if you click on Save All, then they all will be saved. And I was practicing, and I'm calling it barn-emb for Brilliance-svg. I like to put the full nomenclature of the design file in the title so I can find it and I know what I'm looking at regardless of whether the suffix is on the end of the file name or not. And I'm going to click Save. You can see it is saving as a scalable vector graphic. Okay. And I'll just replace it or overwrite, either one. We have 96 DPI. Click OK, and then I'm just going to click OK here to make it go away. Now, one thing you want to do before you import into Brother Canvas download to be able to cut out your applique pieces is, in Essentials, make sure you are in millimeters. All right, and then down here at the bottom of the screen, you have the hoop size. I have a 200 by 300, but I can see that the millimeter size of the design is 188.2 by 269.0. That's really important. If it's in inches, it's not going to be as accurate as if it were in millimeters. So now I need to jump over to Brother Canvas download version. That's that icon that's on your desktop. All right, and here, I want to click the SVG button to import that SVG, the set that I just created. So let me click on that. And here it is right here, barn-emb-svg, and click Open. Now, right now, it looks like it's not there. Maybe it failed or something, but it's not there. This does not happen on the online version. It's perfectly fine. But I want to tell you it is there. If you highlight up here in the upper corner, there it is. It's just super, super small. So first thing you want to do, let me move myself out of the way, is I want to be able to see it. So it's going to import in this color right here, and that's because that was the color of the color chip in Brilliance. I'm going to change it to black, okay? And then that's going to help me to see it. And then you want to come up here to Display and go to Unit and make sure you are in millimeters, all right? If it's in inches, you need to change it. And then you're going to come over here to the Edit tab, and that is, let me put myself down here. That is the second icon right over here on the right. Now the first row is Position. That is the location of the object on the mat, all right? You want to make sure that Maintain Aspect Ratio is unchecked, okay? And then I'm going to, on the width, I'm looking down here at the bottom. It is 188.2, and you can see it's starting to change already. And this 2.7, I'm going to make it 269.0 and hit enter. And there are my pieces. This is how you can see these things and get them to be the exact size that they need to be, so you can cut out your pre-cut applique pieces in Brother Canvas Download. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends that have a scan and cut or that use Brother Canvas. This is April of 2026, so hopefully this issue is fixed. When you're seeing this, it might not be necessary, but for today, that's how you fix that. Y'all go sew something. Bye.